Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Erno Horváth from Optimum Click, and today we are going to talk about the most crucial part of Lead Gen PPC campaign. My team is managing 120 PPC accounts and half of those are lead gen, either B2C or B2B, but the way you approach lead gen is very similar from a PPC perspective. I'm talking about offline conversion tracking. Offline conversion tracking in Google Ads and Bing is a measurement feature that allows businesses to track and measure conversions that occur outside of their website. It happens when a user clicks on an ad but complete their purchase or conversion through offline channels such as phone calls, in-store visits, or through a sales representative. Offline conversion tracking bridges the gap between the online advertising and the real-world action. So let's see what those types of offline conversions are that you can track. Phone call conversions from customers who called after seeing your ad. We highly recommend using third-party tools for call tracking. Lead qualification events, especially very important nowadays, and we will cover it in a different video. Sales appointments booked through your website but closed offline. Contract signings or deal closures handled by sales team. Service enrollments completed through offline channels such as a demo call. In-store purchases by customer who reached online first. Why is it important? And most likely it will be just even more important in the future, because lead quality is paramount. A major challenge with Google Ads for lead generation is getting good quality leads. Many leads can be rubbish, fake, or not interested, especially PayMax often provides bad quality leads and can create a positive feedback loop for bot traffic if using soft goals like form submissions. So you must focus on generating marketing and sales qualified leads, MQLs and SQLs, not just general leads. That's exactly where offline conversion tracking shines. Because with offline conversion tracking, you can follow the full life cycle of the lead, not just the first step, the form submission. Offline conversion tracking is especially crucial to future-proof your account. We can see this as a trend. Platforms such as Google and Microsoft Ads are removing manual configuration options, and the way we can influence their algorithm is with accurate data. And there is no better signal for lead gen than which visitors actually ordered and paid for the service. If you want to implement it for your business, this is a very detailed way of capturing the GCLIDs. So first you need to turn on auto tagging in Google Ads. This is usually turned on anyways. The next step is you need to capture the GCLID parameter from the URL. So from Google, every visitor that comes to your page will have a unique GCLID parameter in the URL. For example, this one, question GCLID equals this huge alphanumeric string. That's about 120 characters long, but sometimes it can be shorter. Because the GCLID will disappear on the next page load, you need to save the GCLID in a cookie on the visitor's browser. If the GCLID parameter is already exists in a cookie, you need to override the old string with the new one. Google will handle the attribution for you, and you don't need to store multiple GCLIDs for the same user. You only need to store the latest one. You need to extend the forms, inquiry forms, callback form, lead forms on your page with one additional parameter, the GCLID. And it should be read from the cookie and added to a hidden field upon form submit. Also, the GCLID should be stored as a new parameter in your CRM system and should exist for at least 90 days. After 90 days, you cannot import the conversion back to Google Ads anyway. Using the GCLID data to enhance the conversions once the customer has paid for the subscription or visit meeting is booked, you need to send the GCLID along with a few other details in a CSV file or some other format. The format can be also regular CSV or a Google Sheet as well. The first column should be the GCLID, then comes the conversion name, which must match the name of the conversion in Google Ads. Then comes the data in ISO format, so usually year, month, day, hours, minutes, seconds. The total revenue, which can be $1 or static, like the lifetime value or another perceived revenue. And then comes the currency, USD or GBP or whatever. So Google can read the CSV file from the web automatically, so no manual involvement is needed, but at first you need to test out the system. It's completely fine if we just get the CSV file and we upload them as an agency. You can use Zapier or any similar tools to push the data to the Google Sheet, or you can just export the GCLID daily from your system to a file location. It can be on HTTPS or SSTP protocol location as well. So once you are done, you need to upload the GCLID file to Google Ads. We would highly recommend using this feature and uploading the GCLIDs daily for the best possible performance, or you can use Zapier to send the GCLID straight away into Google. Alternatively, you can import what's in the file every day manually, but I don't really recommend that. So also, you should consider enhanced conversions for leads as an addition to offline conversion tracking. Google has introduced an upgraded version called Enhanced Conversions for Leads, which supplements traditional GCLID tracking with user-provided data such as email address, phone number, and names. This method uses hashed first-party customer data to improve attribution and accuracy, and works even when traditional tracking methods face limitations due to privacy updates. Enhanced conversions for leads offer several advantages over traditional GCLID tracking. For example, improved durability against privacy restriction and cookie limitations, better attribution accuracy by matching hashed customer data, easier implementation without modifying lead forms or the CRM system. So enhanced conversions for leads works in a similar manner, however it doesn't require capturing the GCLIDs from the URL or adding further fields to the form. You collect the user's first-party data as you would, and after the data is hashed, it should be sent to Google. Later, when the offline conversion happens, for example, customer makes a purchase, attends a meeting, signs a contract, you upload the hash data and conversion details to Google Ads. Then Google matches the uploaded data to prior ad clicks or impressions and linking the offline actions to your campaigns for accurate attribution and reporting. So enhanced conversions for leads are more resilient and future-proof. Whether you use offline conversion tracking or enhanced conversions for lead, the most important part is to use these features because the platforms need accurate data and simple form submissions just aren't sufficient anymore. Offline conversion tracking is the only way to optimize your campaigns towards better quality leads and ultimately more profit for your business. I hope this video was helpful. If you think so, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you will never miss another video like this again.